Have you ever wondered about the future of artificial intelligence and chatbots? How about the much-anticipated ChatGPT-5 from OpenAI? As we venture into the realm of speculation, let's remember the absence of official information about this intriguing entity. Yes, ChatGPT-5, the successor to the impressive ChatGPT-4, is shrouded in mystery. Despite this, the buzz is undeniable, the anticipation palpable, even though we're without a confirmed release date. So what could this elusive ChatGPT-5 bring to the table? Based on the trajectory of AI advancements, we can make a few educated guesses. Potential new features could include superior performance in tasks like writing, translation, and answering complex questions. These could make our interactions with AI more seamless, more intuitive, and fundamentally more human-like. But for now, these are mere speculations. While we wait impatiently for an official announcement, let's delve into what we might expect based on past trends. As we look back at the evolution of the ChatGPT series, we can anticipate a significant leap in the upcoming version. The progression from the first version to ChatGPT-4 has been nothing short of astounding, with each iteration becoming more sophisticated, more responsive, and more intuitive. So what can we expect from ChatGPT-5? Well, if we follow the trend, it's likely to be a substantial upgrade. Perhaps we'll see improvements in factual accuracy, making the system more reliable for answering complex queries or translating languages. Maybe we'll even notice a more natural conversational ability, allowing us to interact with our devices as if we're speaking to another human being. Imagine a world where your computer understands not just your words, but your intent, your tone, your humor. That's the potential we're talking about with ChatGPT-5. A revolution in human-computer interaction that could make our devices more user-friendly and our lives a little easier. The future seems promising, doesn't it? But what about the specifics? Beyond the broad strokes, let's consider the specific applications and potential issues of ChatGPT-5. Task applicability is a key factor. We anticipate that this AI could excel in a wide range of tasks, from writing to translation, and even answering complex questions. However, the appropriateness of ChatGPT-5 for a specific task will always depend on the nature of the task and the model's capabilities. Now let's talk about safety concerns. AI bias, misinformation, and job displacement are all potential issues that need to be carefully managed. The developers must ensure that the model is unbiased and accurate in its responses. Additionally, the transition to AI-led tasks must be handled sensitively to minimize job displacement. Privacy and control over data usage are also important. Users need to be assured that their data is secure and used responsibly. These considerations are crucial, but what about the broader ethical issues? As with any technological advancement, ChatGPT-5 comes with its share of ethical dilemmas. When we talk about the future of AI, it's not just about the shiny new features or the groundbreaking capabilities. It's also about the responsibility that comes with its use. You see, with great power, as we've heard, comes great responsibility. And AI, like ChatGPT-5, is no exception. Safety should be a top concern. The development of ChatGPT-5 should prioritize safety, not just in terms of its operation, but in how it interacts with users and the world at large. This means not just creating a safe product, but also educating users on its safe and responsible use. It's not enough to build a tool. We must also guide people on how to use it responsibly. And then there's the ongoing monitoring. Technology doesn't exist in a vacuum. It evolves, and as it does, so too should our approach to safety. As we learn more about the capabilities and potential risks of ChatGPT-5, it is incumbent upon us to adapt and improve our safety measures. But that's not all. The ethical considerations are vast. There's the issue of bias, for instance. How do we ensure that ChatGPT-5 does not perpetuate harmful biases but instead treats all users fairly and equitably? There's the risk of misuse. How do we prevent people from using this tool for harmful or malicious purposes? And then there's the question of access. How do we ensure that the benefits of ChatGPT-5 are available to everyone, not just a privileged few? These are not easy questions, but they are important ones. They demand our attention, our thoughtfulness, and our commitment to a future where technology serves us all, not just a select few. The future of ChatGPT-5 holds immense potential. However, it's important to navigate its development and usage with care, ensuring it benefits us all. This isn't just about a new chatbot. It's about the kind of world we want to create, the kind of future we want to build. It's about us, as much as it's about AI. And that makes it all the more important to get it right.